Hi guys, it's Raja from Mumbai and I'm gonna vlog for the first time. I never done it before. So where we are going is I'll tell you on the way. So now we are heading to Kanduli station and that's my ride. So we are headed towards Kanduli station and I saw the beautiful sky. Yeah, it looks stunning. I thought I should show you. The weather looks very fine, very good. Yeah, let's do that. So I reached the station. So let me take the tickets and let's roll. So I have to carry my cycle from here to there and So guys, finally I am here in Prabhadevi station. It's around 2 to 3 kilometers towards west and I'll meet you there. Guys, I want to show you some interesting. You can see that pole, signal pole. As a signal turns green, even that pole turns green. You can see that, right? Now the pole turns red. That's amazing. Yeah, that looks good. Guys, finally we are here. This is the road. This is the road that connects the Worli ceiling. And yeah, few hundred meters away from here. I already spotted a few bikes. I couldn't film that. Yeah. In a few minutes. Guys, finally we are here. This is the Worli ceiling I'm talking about. I already spotted a Porsche now, but I couldn't film that even. There it's going, Porsche taken green. Yeah. I have to just go there. Finally I'm here. You can see a G-Wagon over there. Yeah, it's coming. See man, there's a Lamborghini. it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll meet you in the next vlog. Until then, tada.